Wait. Did you just bought tickets for a flight and it's personal item only? You really think you can pack something like this for a whole trip? Because I think you're right. And I'm gonna show you how. Let's do it. I'm Roxy and I love traveling light. I hate baggage claim. I'm always terrified that my bag's gonna get lost somewhere, as you know. Recently, I made a video about my trip to Spain, 10 days in Spain in the winter with only a carry-on. And now I am gonna show you how to pack this tiny little bag for a 4-day trip. How are we going to achieve this? Now, first of all, let's talk about the bag. We need bags that will fit the requirements for a personal item for a budget airline, if you know what I'm talking about. The measurements are, I think I'm gonna put it on the screen, if I know how to do it. But this bag fits possibly most of the personal item requirements. Now, you don't have to have a bag exactly like this. If you go on Amazon or REI, you are going to find plenty of bags that fit their requirements. I believe this one is the Cotopaxi day bag, which is amazing if we can fit everything in it. Now the details. I know we love colorful things. I know most of us love colorful things. Traveling like this, we kind of need to think about what is practical. We might want to think about things that we can match, mix and match, pants with different shirts every different day, especially if you want to actually maximize and travel for a whole week with a personal bag, which is possible. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is shirts. I love basic t-shirts. So let's say we want to bring about 4 t-shirts. I usually just roll them like this. I got 5 t-shirts to demonstrate. And we can roll them simply like this. I know it's all black. It's just, I try to be more colorful, but I'm gonna be honest. I like when things are practical, it's easier, and we just put it on black and go. And if it's too sunny, we will. Pants. We're gonna bring 2 pants. One that is a little bit more colorful. And if you watch my other video about my trip to Spain, this was one of the items because it is so versatile. It's black and white. Also some leggings because it goes with everything, honestly, and whatever. If people think that it's tacky to wear leggings every day, I don't care. If I care about what people think, I wouldn't go anywhere, right? I wouldn't be here talking to you, making me fool of myself. Let's say it's winter or fall. You're going to Chicago in November. You want something like this. This is from Uniqlo. It's a down jacket. I talked about this before in my other video, and this jacket is wonderful because it gets so compact and it's so easy to take everywhere with you. Also, it is really warm, so it's a must if you are a traveler who goes to places that get cooler. This is a must. We can't forget underwear, socks. I'm not gonna show you, but it's all here. This is one of those packing cubes, but it doesn't have to be a packing cube. A pair of shoes, simple, goes with everything. Now here's the biggest trick. When you travel with a personal item, you cannot bring a purse if you carry purses. So bring a small one and put it inside your personal item. Otherwise, this is gonna count as a personal item. So bring something small, something that you can wear every day. It's easier. Put your documents in there, you know. Put it in your bag. A Kindle, because we don't like getting bored. And we never know when you're gonna need it. Chargers. And your AirPods. Where is my AirPod? Well, I'll find it later, but AirPod or any small compact headphones. And last but not least, your toiletry bag. If you didn't watch my video about how to pack your toiletries, I'll leave it right there or in the description. Go ahead and watch it. Everything you need for toiletry, you can put it on your carry-on or put it on your personal item bag. It's here. And wear your bulkiest items. You want to bring jeans? Wear on the plane. Another shirt. You want to wear boots? Wear it on the plane. So this one's where I'm going to put aside because we are going to wear it. So now to packing. As you see, these are all the items we are taking. We don't need anything else. I know your heart is saying, please, let's bring something colorful and pink. No, we don't need it. We can survive. 5 shirts, 3 pants, plus the shirt and the pants you're gonna be wearing. 1 pair of shoes plus the shoes you're bringing it. If you want, you can actually fit another pair of shoes, probably. Your down jacket if it's cold. If it's summer, you don't need it. Maybe wear a light hoodie in the plane, which is another excuse to bring something else, and your toiletry bag. Now to pack those items. This bag, as you can see, it has a little slot for a laptop. So if you have a small laptop, you can put it on. I think 14 inches will fit. 16 inches will not fit. I know from experience. I'm the source. But if you're going for a 4-day trip, you don't need your laptop. You don't want to work. We are going to start by our toiletry bag. We want that toiletry bag all the way in the deep end. Now we're gonna get our shirts. And we're gonna fill all those little spaces with the shirts. And fit on this back, on the side. Now we can add our 2 pair of pants. The bag. Don't forget the bag, people. The down jacket you can either wear or you can fit it in here. We're gonna make it very tiny. Yep. Next is our intimates bag. You know, your underwear, your socks. Put it here. And we're gonna close. We still have room probably for another pair of pants or a shirt. But wait, what about the shoes? Well, in this bag we have this front pocket that we can put a few things in it, including the shoes, the Kindle, And our chargers. And don't forget your reusable water bottle that you can probably stick it in here or bring it in your hand, you know. And there you have it. And this will fit the airline required personal item. Did I just muffle the microphone? Here we have, and if you are more minimalist, you don't have to bring 5 shirts and 2 pair of pants. Bring 1 pair of pants, 4 shirts, 3 shirts. You don't even need to bring an extra shoe if you don't want to. And if you're traveling in the summer, bring some sandals, you know? And there you have it. Thank you for watching.